Hello everybody. Again, this is Mr. McMahon here at Royal Oak High School talking about moles and volume conversions today. So what is our goal for the day? Our objective is going to be to figure out the volume constant, which is 22.4 liters, and use that to convert between volume and moles of a substance. This means we need to be able to solve for both the liters and moles of any substance, mainly gases though. So remember, in the last video, we solved for the representative particles of a substance for 1 mole. Now we will be doing the same thing, but with different number of moles and liters. So let's get right to it. We do not use the molar mass or the 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd, but it's going to look exactly the same. But we don't have to figure out that molar mass. We don't have to use that big, ugly 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd number. We're going to use the constant, which is 22.4 liters. Very, very simple. So let's take a look at an example problem. If I want to figure out the liters in 3 moles of carbon dioxide, what am I going to do? Well, I ask myself, so now what? I know what I'm looking for. So I remember back that 1 mole of any gas is equal to 22.4 liters. That's the constant that I'm using since we said moles and we said liters. So now write what you're looking for, then write what you're given. In this case, it says I want to know how many liters are in 3 moles of carbon dioxide. So think about that. What am I looking for? What am I given? Great, I'm glad you got it right. Yes. We want to know how many liters are in moles. So the first step is write out X liters, what we're looking for, and then write your given. Great job, guys. Great job. So use what you already know. Well, we know that the volume conversion is 1 mole and 22.4 liters. So X liters is equal to 3.00 moles of carbon dioxide times, I got to remember what goes on top and what goes on bottom. Well, I remember in class we said if I'm given moles, then I'm going to multiply by that constant. So in this case, I'm probably going to multiply by a constant. So I got the 1 mole on the bottom. Oh, and there it is, the constant on top. Awesome. So when I go through, I'm going to cancel out my moles. And all I'm left with now is liters right here. So 3 times 22.4 liters is going to give me 67.2 liters. Again, just like you said earlier, if you're not giving one of those other things and you're given moles, then you're going to multiply. Exactly what I did here. 3 moles times 22.4 liters is 67.2. So now what about moles from liters? So again, 1 mole of any gas is still equal to 22.4. That does not change. So you write again what you're looking for, write out what you're given. So here's the problem this time. I want to know how many moles are in 348 liters of carbon dioxide. Think about that. What am I looking for? What am I given? Great job again. I saw you write that down correctly. So I want to find out moles, X moles, and you wrote down 348 liters of carbon dioxide. You guys are doing great today. Give yourself a pat on the back. So again, using what you already know for step 2, again, the volume constant, 22.4 liters. X moles equals 348 liters. But this time, I remember, I'm not given moles, I'm given something else. So I'm going to divide by that something else, which in this case is liters. Now, too many times I see you put 348 down here, or 6.02. No. Molar mass. No. It is 22.4 liters and 1 mole on top. Look at that. That's the conversion. 1 mole is 22.4 liters. Now my liters cancel, and I'm left with moles. So I take the 348, divide it by 22.4, not the other way around. And I get 15.5 moles. So, in conclusion, if you are given liters, then you divide by 22.4 liters. And if you are given those moles, then you're going to multiply by 22.4 liters. Make sure to read what the problem is asking for, and I know you're going to do great. So, your turn. For class tomorrow, please, how many moles are in 5.69 grams? That should say liters. My bad. Of H2O. And how many liters are in 9.87 moles of H2O? Well, Make sure to change this to liters. Have a great day, and we'll see you in class tomorrow.